It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 F-150 XLT in antimatter blue with black sport cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It is a line box, and you also have running boards, mud flaps, and a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have a trailer tow hitch and a tailgate step and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. And speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have your electronic parking brake here, high mount light, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and your tailgate release. And then there's a running board and grab handle, just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and we can get into the menu here, and then they have sub menus, and you can toggle through that as you need. Up top is a little cubby, auto stop start for less idle time, and we have our camera. Now we're not in gear, this is just giving us a peek as to where we're going. We have a 360 camera, so we can see ourselves in space here. It's right off the back, and this is just a protective cover. And then we have our parking assist, hazard lights, traction control, and hill descent. We have 2 menus, the bigger ones here. Just touch on it and you'll see it highlighted down below. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth for our sources in our audio. Then we can go into navigation. We'll get the big map. We can choose our destination. In our settings, we can slide through for different options, change the look of the display screen, and they all have sub menus. And then in our features, we have our owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. This is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So when I put us in reverse, you can see where we are in space, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and then center line right off the back there. Let's put that back into park. Volume and tuner, dual climate control, and dual heated seats, AC and max AC, your front and rear defrost, your fans right there, USB-C and USB, and then we have our Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and 4x4 with the drive mode and the locking rear differential. So in the drive mode, we're going to dial through. You'll see it on the dash. So there's normal, and then we're going to go slippery, and they're going to the right. The uneven terrain for off-road, and you see the tracks on the center screen there. And then we're seeing mixed terrain is what it's saying it should be for, and rock crawl. Now we're going to go the other way, and we're going to see the little trailer go red, and then we have eco, and then sport. And so as road conditions, weather conditions change, we can adapt using the drive modes and getting more or less traction and control. We have an automatic select shifter. We can actually make it go down. This gives us a flat surface. We have a couple of cup holders. We can bring that back up if we want. Your armrest opens up, and it also locks, by the way. And there's a nice little bin in here, then lots of room down below. You can throw all sorts of things, keep them secure out of sight. And then we've got our 12 volt, 120 volt, and then 2 glove compartments. Lower one's locking, the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and we have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's the button for that. And we're all set to go. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, and you have the black running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and in the rear you've got your backup camera just above your handle. Also backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready and you want to open up that tailgate, you simply double click the fob, and it'll power it down. I'm just going to give it a little hand here. And then it's got tailgate assist, so it goes down easily. You got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a couple of measuring sticks, metric and imperial, and clamps. So if you want to do a bit of work, you can. And then you've got a tailgate step, and that yellow button pulls out to create a handle, giving you some stability getting in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just lift the seat with one hand, and you've got more room on the floor. There's an all-weather mat plus carpeted mats. And then bring the seat down by pulling the tab, And then there's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got cup holders there as well. You've got air vents on either side in the 12 volt. And down below we have the USB outlets as well as a 120 volt. And then grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 5.5 foot lined box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, 360 camera, and blind spot information system. You have the black painted aluminum wheels and the blacked out features because you have the black appearance package on this vehicle and many other features. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you and we'd love to hear your comments.